I can't believe I missed that. I turned the video off when it jumped. We're going to follow him down here. Hopefully I don't drop the camera into the water. There's Arna. Gonna give Alex a hand over there. Try to land this thing. We saw it jump once or twice. Whoa. Alex, I think he's got more fight. Up, here comes Dave. Up from below. Oh, we got a net. All right. Dave and Cam over here. All right, there's Cam and Dave, and Alex is bringing this fish in. See if Arna can net him. Whoa! See if I can get over here. Whoops! I'm gonna pause it.